Plank Enterprises is the parent company of 3 industry-leading companies with the primary business practice of manufacturing and distributing products to industrial and commercial marketplaces around the world. LPI Lift Systems, LDPI Industrial Lighting, ProSize Fabrication and Machining Solutions. For more than 40 years, these 3 trusted and capable companies have supplied an impressive array of specialized products and services and want you to join their winning team.
There's a lot of different opportunities here, a lot of different jobs with a lot of different responsibilities, with a lot of crossover as well. You get to work with a lot of really cool people and on a lot of really cool projects as well.
I like the diversity. Every day is a little bit different. So I guess I get involved in all kinds of aspects. We have a lot of different processes that are underneath this roof.
We have a lot of opportunities here that a lot of other companies don't have, and it's just a very comfortable atmosphere. It's very family-oriented.
Plank Enterprises offers a full employee benefit package consisting of an on-site primary care medical clinic, on-site physical therapy wellness services, health insurance, dental insurance, and life insurance, profit sharing and 401k retirement plans, paid vacation, paid personal sick time, paid holidays, tuition reimbursement, and much more.
The type of person that we're looking for ideally, first and foremost, lines up with our core values. We run with 5 core values here at Plank Enterprises, and we really try to find our employees that line with that. Outside of the core value match, we look for individuals that really want to work in a team environment, that really focus on family, that really focus on community, that really focus internally as well.
We also are looking for people that want to provide value, not just personally, but provide value for their coworkers, provide value to the customers, and provide value to the community.
We're a very close-knit family. We have a lot of longevity. We've had employees that have been here 30 years. The culture is very family-orientated. Families first. If we want to make it to our children's games, we expect that our employees should be able to do the same.
I think people should be interested in working at Plank Enterprises if you care about value, if you care about family, if you want your opinion and your voice to matter, if you want your expertise to be noticed.
You know, good people make good parts. And for me, that's what really brought all of our core values together, because at the end of the day, that's really what it's about here, is having good people and creating good parts for our customers.
Learn more about the career opportunities at Plank Enterprises and apply online at plankenterprises.com.